there, this is Donnie Ferguson with Tectran. In today's TEC-TIP video, we're going to be replacing a brake chamber hose fitting with our new hose end kit. One of the great features of this hose end kit is that it does give you live swivel functionality, meaning that you can replace a fitting without even taking a hose off, using that live swivel functionality to reconnect it once you've replaced the fitting. We're working in a garage today, but there is nothing about this process, as you'll see, that requires that. This is something you could do on the side of the road using a bare minimum of tools.
So here's everything you're going to need to complete this installation. The hose end kit itself contains 2 complete fittings, each of which is composed of a hose retaining sleeve and a barb fitting, as well as a hex key. You'll also need an adjustable wrench. The end kit does require a square cut at the end of your hose, so if that's not already the case for you, go ahead and grab a utility knife as well to make that cut and get it as square as you can. Once you've got that square cut, twist the sleeve clockwise onto the hose until the internal face of the sleeve rests against the end of the hose. Next, insert the barb fitting into the end of the hose. Hold on to the hose retaining sleeve with the adjustable wrench and then use the included hex key to twist the barb fitting into the hose. Keep tightening until the barb fitting stops turning. The last thing you'll need to do is turn that hex key back a quarter turn in the opposite direction. We then recommend you do a quick pull test just to make sure everything is installed correctly. You're now ready to install your hose, and with those live swivel fittings, installation is a breeze. Thanks for watching.